In this video I will show you how to schedule things in Unraid. First, go to the Apps menu. Now search for cron and install user scripts. This is in fact a front end for cron, the standard job scheduler on Linux. Now that it's installed, go to the settings page, and here you find the settings for user scripts. Now, what shall I schedule? I've got a virus scanner, and by default it only runs once, so I want to schedule that on a weekly basis. To do that, click here on basic view so you get the advanced view, copy the container ID, go back to settings and user scripts, add new script, weekly virus scan. Click on the wheel, edit script, and here enter docker start and the copied container ID. Save changes and run script. Done. Let's go to Docker. And there you can see that ClamAV has started. Now this was a manual action, so go back to settings. It was just to check if the entered command worked. Go to user scripts and choose weekly for a weekly virus scan. Click apply, and that's it. Now you can do almost anything with this, but it does need some understanding of the command line. Feel free to ask in the comments if there is something you need. I will do my best to help, as well as other viewers, I'm sure. For now, thanks for watching.